We've decided to miss you. At least me and Connor.
Yeah, facts.
See?
I miss you too, Will.
Oh, and Andrew. They all really miss you. Okay, so here's how to do confidence intervals in the calculator. I'm going to read the problem to you if you want to go and turn to it because you're going to have to do these problems anyway. This is number 11 on page 379, and I'll read it to you. It's about overweight men. I know. For a random sample of 60 overweight men, so what is 60? Write that down. N, 60. The mean number of pounds that they were overweight was 30. What is that? X bar. So now we have N equals 60. Write these down because you're going to at least have to show me this part. N equals 60, X bar equals 30. I told you this, standard deviation of the population was 4.2. Standard deviation, 4.2. Find the best point estimate. Don't worry about that question right there. Okay, don't worry about best point estimate. In this case, we're going to talk about pounds, so don't even worry about that. But do this part B where it says find the 95% confidence interval for the mean of these pounds. So what I want you to put down is CInt, and you'll see why when I go to the calculator. So N is 60. X bar was 30. My standard deviation for these overweight men was 4.2 pounds. And the confidence interval that I want to be is 0.95, 95%. Just put it like that. Now, here's where you're going to go, and you have to know the difference between these. You are going to go to Stat, Tests, ZInterval. So not VARs. Go to Stat. Go over to where it says Test. And do you see how it says Z-test? Don't pick that one. We are going to pick it later on, though. Do you see where it says 2 sample Z-test? Don't pick that one. Go down to where it says Z-interval. Y'all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hit enter. Now it's going to ask you for 2 inputs. It's going to say, do you want to input data or do you want to input statistics? Well, we are inputting statistics. We don't have data to input, but on the next question, I'll show you how to do this. So go over to Stats and look what it tells you. It asks you for, what's your sigma? What are you going to type in there? 4.2. What's your X bar? 30. What's your N? 60. What's your C level? 0.95. Calculate. You see that little interval up there? That's the answer.
So mine says like list and...
Go over to the other one. 28.937 to 31.063. That is where the true mean should lie from overweight men.
Oh,
So again, you would say, and you have to say your sentence, I am 95% confident that the mean number of pounds in overweight men is between, and I'm going to arrow there because I'm tired of writing it. Okay, so freshman GPAs, this is the first semester GPAs for a random selection of freshmen at a large university are shown. Estimate the true mean GPA of the freshman class with a 99% confidence and assume the standard deviation is 0.62. Now, they didn't give you an N, but they gave you all this lovely data. So here's what you can do. The calculator will actually figure all the true mean for you. So again, go to Stat, Test, Z-interval. You are now going to arrow over to the word data because you are going to input some data. But we're going to change a few things here first. We're going to change my standard deviation to what? 6.62? See how it says list 1? What does that mean we're going to have to do? We're going to have to edit a list. Don't worry about frequency. Always leave it at 1 because you're not having 2 of these sets of the same data. And then my confidence level is 0.99. So here's all you have to do. Actually, we probably should have entered the list first, but it doesn't matter. You do have to go to stat edit, and you have to, into list 1, enter all of that. Get to entering. I'll be there with you. Can you see it? It actually gave you X bar also. It actually figured out. And what is SX? That's your samples standard deviation. So they actually gave you the sample standard deviation too. So, and then, so all you'd have to say is like, I'm 95% confident or 99% confident that the mean average GPA for freshmen is between 2.5 and a 3.0. Yes. All right, I'll help you out in a minute, but I'm going to get everybody started on this. So you just have to, now that you know how to do all that, you have to, where's my thing? Here it is. Okay. I did number 11 for you, and I did number 15. Okay, so don't do 15.
Yes.
Okay, so I did 11, and then I did 14. So I want you to do